Sunday, April 25th. We decided to try another one of these little state nature preserves. So we're at the Dupree Nature Preserve, northern Garrard County. We're going to be kind of overlooking the Kentucky River again. We're not too far from the Tom Dorman that we hit a few weeks ago. So should be a nice little hike here. Nothing too crazy. Just a little chilly this morning to start off, but it should warm up really nicely today. So starting off with our jackets, we'll probably lose them pretty soon. You ready?
I think. So we're going to the river. Then we're going back to the car.
Yes, we're going to the river.
Oh, okay.
Good.
We think that this was I forgot.
Wagon.
Yeah, wagon. And I think that the other parts eroded.
Eroded. Just an old wagon axle up here. So it's pretty nice and pretty. We're down here next to the river now. So we're down in this kind of flats here next to the river. A bunch of wildflowers still along here. Catching probably just the tail end of them. Yeah, we made it down to the river. Remember what river it is, Henry?
The Kentucky River.
Yep. And it's actually really pretty today. Kind of a turquoise green. A lot better than the last time we saw it a few weeks ago when it was...
A little bit of greenish cyan.
A whole lot better than a few weeks ago when it was just completely brown and muddy from the flood.
But it looks like that this flood is still happening, but it's not that muddy.
So this last bit here is still kind of covered in sand and mud from that flood a few weeks ago. You can tell the water was all the way up. You can see exactly where the line is up there in the gravel on the trail. Exactly how high up it got here. So here's an example of some of the wildflowers we still got down here. They're all up and down along the trail here. We got these purple ones and some white ones, and some that are kind of purple and white, and I'm not really sure. Maybe these are all the same kind, just different maturity. I don't know anything about flowers. So we just left the river. Now we're heading up the hill. There should be an overlook on up the trail. Well, we made it to the overlook. Not a whole lot to see here just because of the growth, but you can see the river on down below us. So we came all the way up here. Pretty steep little trail, so it's good. We also got got off that old gravel road and actually onto a proper trail. So Henry's a little worn out, but overall it's pretty cool up here. Well, we made it back to the car. It was a good hike. We did just about 3 miles. And GPS says we did about 375 feet of ascent, but when there was ascent, it was nice and steep. So it was a good workout. Went really well. I didn't even hardly break a sweat. A little bit there at the end, just because probably should have taken our jackets off earlier.
I broke a ton of sweat.
So overall, it was pretty good. Okay. So, we got our snacks. We're gonna head on home. Henry, okay, say goodbye.
Adios and see you next time in this gaming time.